Optimizing EC2 monitoring with EventBridge and Lambda for custom alerts. This podcast is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone number is 973-638-2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. The need for monitoring and alerting in cloud architectures. In the dynamic world of cloud computing, real-time monitoring and alerting are crucial to maintaining the health and performance of your infrastructure. EC2 instances, the backbone of many AWS deployments, undergo state changes such as starting, stopping, or terminating, which can significantly impact your applications. These state changes can lead to unexpected downtimes or performance degradation without proper monitoring and timely alerts. This makes it essential to have a robust monitoring and alerting system to track EC2 state changes and respond promptly. Leveraging EventBridge and SNS for EC2 state change notifications. AWS provides several tools for monitoring EC2 instances, with Amazon EventBridge and SNS, Simple Notification Service, being two of the most commonly used. EventBridge, formerly CloudWatch Events, allows you to set up rules that detect specific API calls or state changes in your EC2 instances. These rules can trigger SNS notifications, send alerts to your email or SMS, and inform you of critical changes. Overcoming limitations of standard SNS notification emails. While SNS is an effective tool for sending alerts, the default notification emails often need to be more generic. They include all the details of the EC2 API calls but need more customization, making extracting the most relevant information quickly challenging. This can lead to notification fatigue, where important alerts might be missed amidst the noise of redundant or unfiltered messages. Implementing customized notifications with Lambda functions. To overcome these limitations, you can customize your EC2 state change notifications by integrating EventBridge with AWS Lambda. By routing EventBridge events through a Lambda function, you gain complete control over the processing and formatting of the data before it's sent as a notification. This allows you to extract only the relevant details, format them in a way that's easy to read, and send the messages via your preferred communication channels, such as email, Slack, or SMS. Filtering EC2 API calls with EventBridge rules. One of EventBridge's powerful features is the ability to filter specific EC2 API calls using custom rules. For instance, you might only want to be notified when an instance stops unexpectedly or a critical instance is terminated. By setting up precise rules, you can ensure that you only receive alerts for the events that matter most to your operations. Python script for extracting and formatting relevant data. You can implement customized notifications using a Python script within your Lambda function. This script can parse the event data from EventBridge, extract relevant information such as instance ID, state change, and timestamp, and then format it into a concise message. Below is a basic example of how this can be done. Import JSON. Def lambda _handler event, context. Hash extract relevant information from the event. Detail equals event.getDetail, instance _IID equals detail.get instance I.get state equals detail.get state timestamp equals event.getTime. Hash format the notification message. Message equals FEC2 instance _ID, has changed state to, state, at, timestamp. Hash send the message to your preferred notification channel. Hash example, send via SNS, Slack, or email. Return. Status code, 200. Body, JSON.dumps message. Avoiding redundant notifications by omitting SNS as a destination. To streamline your alerting system further, you can avoid using SNS as an intermediate step and send notifications directly from the Lambda function to your preferred destination. This reduces the complexity of your architecture and minimizes the risk of redundant or delayed notifications. Summary: streamlining EC2 monitoring and alerting. By customizing your EC2 state change notifications with EventBridge and Lambda, you can significantly improve the efficiency and relevance of your monitoring and alerting system. This approach lets you filter out unnecessary noise, focus on critical events, and receive notifications tailored to your needs. Expanding use cases and integration with AWS config. Beyond essential EC2 monitoring, this approach can be expanded to integrate with AWS config. This allows you to monitor compliance with organizational policies and trigger alerts when configurations deviate from the expected state, further enhancing your cloud governance and operational efficiency. Thank you for listening to our podcast. Please share this podcast, visit our website, and follow our social media links.